Hey everybody,
Milky
Films here.
Today we got a mermaid cupcake.
That's right. We've got Mermaid Cupcakes. And it's a limited edition by Hostess. And I've long been a fan of Hostess products, Twinkies, and the like. So let's go ahead and open the box. And let's see what they look like. There's one. And I'll have one too. There we go. We're going to do a quick taste test. So let's go ahead and open it up here. Kind of nice little package. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here, this one will be Daddy's. There we go. Alright, now, kind of a cool blue frosting. It's got it's got a pink twirly on the top there, I guess is what you want to call it. And then you can see it's got the sprinkles on there as well. So it looks very nice. Really like the colors. And let's go ahead and try a bite.
Open mine. I'm gonna put a mermaid on my cupcake.
Tastes pretty good. Alright, this has been Milky Films. I'd say I'd give it a 5 out of 5 cupcakes. And it's just as good as all the other Hostess stuff I've had. Thanks for watching. Like what you see, go ahead and click subscribe. Helps support the channel. Send us any requests, comments, or questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.